And I'm here now at the Fanaar stand, and I'm being joined by the chairman of Fanaar, Abdul Salam Al Mutlaq. He's joined us now. Thank you so much, sir. I know you're very busy there. We got you for a few minutes. Now, you're a Saudi company in terms of origin, but you've been growing a lot in the last few years, and now you really have a big international reach. Tell me a little bit about that growth.
Al Fanaar started as a Saudi company based in Riyadh, and now it has expanded into many places outside of Saudi Arabia. We have manufacturing facilities in Dubai, where we manufacture switchgear and amongst other things. And we have manufacturing facilities in London, UK, and we have design centers in India, in Chennai, India. And we have facilities also, small facility in China, which we hope will expand in the future.
So really a real global reach in that case now, but you're really, electrical construction is really your business. I know you have your own electrical construction factory as well, but you're also serving the industry. Tell us a little bit about where the growth are, or if you looked at your product, so to speak, what's the most popular? What's the biggest selling product you have?
Well, the biggest selling product that we have in terms of size is cables, because of the way, because of the volume of cables and how much cable is used in the industry. But we have a lot of other interesting products like transformers, which are also used in electrical construction. But we sell other products such as electrical accessories for switchgear for domestic use. And we have in Saudi Arabia, we have a big share of the market, about 60 to 70% of the market of Saudi Arabia in electrical accessories. We sell these accessories in the whole of the Middle East, especially the Iraq market, and we are expanding in this field. We are having distribution switchgear and also other products which we are going into in the electrical field.
And your own factory, how has that been going? You serve the industry, but you have your own factory, of course, for doing this. So you're producing everything yourself. Does that make you happier that you can guarantee the satisfaction, so you're not buying elsewhere?
We have an industrial facility in Riyadh, over about 700,000 square meters, which is quite sizable by Saudi standard. And this facility produces most of our production, quality is a very, very important aspect of our strategy, and we give actually guarantee up to 25 years for our products. And we also use we serve the customer in a different way, in the way that we have this policy of no questions asked, whereby you can return any product from Al Fanaar without Al Fanaar asking any questions, and you will be either refunded or the product will be replaced.
So customer satisfaction and satisfaction guaranteed seems to be your logo, huh? Tell me a little bit about the technology now that's driving this industry too. You're not just doing small switches, you literally cover the whole lot, from a small switch to a huge generator, and managing the capacity for that. But tell me about the technology and the new smart equipment that's coming on, the automated equipment. You're now in that business also, aren't you?
Yes. We are developing now a smart system for the control of domestic facilities, and we are starting with that, and we are hoping that in the future we will expand even further. I would like also to mention our construction facilities. We have construction facilities we construct power stations and substations and power lines within Saudi Arabia, and we've executed some quite sizable project. And recently, in the last year, we got quite a prestigious project doing the substation for substations, a number of substations for the Haramain railways, the railways that is linking Mecca to Medina. And this, linked with other projects, is about 2 billion real project. So, and we're very, very proud and happy to do a project as prestigious as that.
Well, a big congratulations on that one to you, certainly. And of course, there'll be no shortage of supplies because you'll be supplying the cables and wires and everything.
Yeah, exactly.
Now, okay, so while you're doing that and you're servicing that side of the industry, look at the wider construction industry for me, because we see a lot of growth, yes, in Saudi Arabia at the moment, but construction in the region has actually, come down a little bit, hasn't it? What's your forecast in terms of what's going on with construction in the region? Is it still a healthy industry?
In Saudi Arabia, the construction industry is quite healthy, and there is a lot of construction projects. In fact, the problem in Saudi Arabia is a lot of competition, and in some areas there is a little bit of overcapacity. In other countries, I see that there is some slackness, but I am very hopeful for the future, especially in places like the UAE and like Iraq, when things settle down, hopefully soon. And so we are very, very hopeful, and we hope that we will expand our facilities regionally, and we have big hopes to expand in the region. So we are very, very hopeful and looking forward to a boom after the political scene sort of settles hopefully in the near future.
And just one final question. You're here at the show, you have a big stand here, you're very, very busy here. Who are you meeting here and what do you hope to achieve? Why is it important to be at this show?
Well, this exhibition is a great exhibition. We've been exhibiting almost every year in this exhibition, and it is a huge outlet for us to meet our customers and to introduce them to our facilities, and also to get them to visit our factories here in Dubai, because we are not only a Saudi company, but we also have facilities in Dubai and other places, and so it's a great opportunity for us to meet and interact with our customers coming from different parts of the world.
Super. Well, we wish you a very successful exhibition. Mr. Al-Mutlaq, Chairman of Fanaar Group, thank you so much for being with us. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.